Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can clear books reading time goals data on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings page scroll down, and then in here tap on books. Now scroll down and then tap on clear reading goals data. And it's asked you, do you want to clear reading goals data from all your devices, using this iCloud account? So if you are sure, tap on clear reading goals data. And that's it. So time spent reading and reading streak data will be clear the next time you open Apple Books. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.